Hey everybody! So, today we've got the new GMKtec M7 Pro. I've been waiting for this, mainly OcuLink, and I wanted to see how it compares to the other AMD blah 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 I have and the M4 that I have, and the M3. But first, we have to open it. Okay, so first things first, we gotta take off the plastic. Okay, so it says fragile, which I do think's interesting because that has definitely not been on any of the others. M7 Pro, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD with USA power plugs. All right. Ooh, that's fancy. I do find that interesting. And there's the fan model number. It is a model DF70105HM. I'm actually kind of curious how loud that is. And, you know, air movement and stuff, because I know I have some Noctuas around here about that size. Anyways, what else we got? Probably going to be like normal. We'll have the power supply, HDMI cable, okay, power supply. It is a 19 volt, 6.32 amps, so 120 watt power supply. And it has the Clover plug, and then in this side we have the VESA mount, which goes right there, and then power, HDMI and power cable, and we got a book. There's our manual. Yay! All right, so we have OcuLink, USB 4, 2 USB 3.0 or 3.2 somethings, I don't know, USB A. Nothing on that side. And on the back we have 2 USB 2s, HDMI 2.1, 8K support, I guess. DP, dual 2.5 gig, another USB 4 and the DC in. Nothing on this side, and again nothing on the bottom. Got some, yeah. The feet are huge. Actually does stand off the table a fair bit, which is good. Let air get into that fan. All right. Okay, got the 4 screws removed. So just unplug the fan. Bye. And we have a very narrow fan, and there we have the insides. So we have 2 full-length M.2s. I wonder what that is. There's a little cable guy there. I wonder if that's for like SATA, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, got 2 full-length M.2s. This is a Gen 3x4 card, but it is, I want to say it's a 4x4 slot, and I don't know. We've got Crucial RAM. That's definitely a known brand. Cool. So we got 2 sticks of 16 gig. And then our Wi-Fi antennas just kind of go right there. All right. The battery cable's all twisted. That's kind of odd. But, yeah. All right. Okay. So, stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to do some playing around and benchmarking and stuff before opening it up fully. So, come back to the channel a couple days and I should have a full video on the disassembly and, you know, what the cooler actually looks like that isn't a CG thingy. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye! Okay. It just rebooted a couple times, but it did work. I'm in BIOS. Time to see what's in here. That was just a fun aside. After I tried to boot into the OS, it just... So, yeah, not enough power. But I mean, it was still kind of cool. Like, if the dock did put out enough power, that would be a viable option. Anyways,